Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll begin with my new series about Scratch. Scratch is a coding language with simple visual interface that allows young people to create digital stories, games, and animations. You can download Scratch by typing the URL scratch.mit.edu/download or by simply clicking the link in the description. Over here, you can download Scratch for your operating system like Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, or Android. So when you have completed the installation process and opened Scratch, it will look like a window you can see on my screen. So over here, you have the blocks on your leftmost side over here, and just beside that you have your workplace where you can simply drag the blocks and keep them like this. This is the place where you'll see the execution of the program you've just built in the workplace. Below that is the area where you can see the sprites. So the sprites are basically the characters in your program to which you add a code to make them do something. Like if I want this sprite to move 10 steps, then I can simply take a block that says move 10 steps and click on it. So it moves. You see that? And I click it again, it moves again. So for this, I can also add an event like when flag is clicked. So you see this flag right here. When you click on this, it starts the execution of the program you have built in the workplace. So when flag is clicked, I want this sprite 1, to move 10 steps. So I click on flag and it moves 10 steps. So in the same way, I can make it move 50 steps as well by clicking on flag again and it will move 50 steps. So just like the sprite I have over here, I can also add other sprites by either using the library I have in Scratch, or I can also upload others. So over here you can see we have a lot of sprites. So I can simply just click on another one like this ball and I have it over here. When the flag is clicked, I want this ball to move anywhere. So for this ball, I'll add an event when flag is clicked, then go to motion and take this block that says go to random position. So when I click flag, it goes to a random position. And my other sprite, which is this scratch cat, it also moves ahead because I have also added a code for it. So if I click flag again, both the sprites will move as I've added codes for both of them to move when flag is clicked. Now in motion, I can make them go to a specific point. So for that, I'll first delete this block, and to delete it, you can right click it or tap it with two fingers and click delete block. And then I'll add this block that says go to X and then the coordinates and go to Y and the coordinates. So, so currently this ball over here, it's at X 113 and Y 168. So I want it to come at the center. So for that, I'll type X 0 and Y 0. So when flag is clicked, you see the ball comes at the center and the other cat, it moves 50 steps ahead. I can make this come back to here by deleting this block first and then saying go to X minus 230 because I want it to go to the other side, and then clicking flag again. So you see it comes here and the ball stays there as I have instructed it to go to X0 and Y0. So another feature in Scratch is the backdrops, the stage. So if I click on it, I can add the background. So you can upload a background, or you can even paint a background if you want, and you can also choose from the existing library. Like I want to choose this sky. So see, I have added sky, and over here I can also add other backgrounds and tell it to switch between them. Like I want, like when flag is clicked, I want it to switch to the next background. So I click on flag and it goes back to white, and then to blue sky, and then to Arctic again. So these were the basics about Scratch's features. In the next video, I'll be back with a little more about Scratch and its features. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you again.